right, so the first step is take your pedals off, which in order to do that, you turn it towards the back. Hey, good job. And you will be able to unscrew your old pedals. Unsure which one goes on the left, which one goes on the right. You'll see a little L right there at the tip of my thumb. All right, go ahead and put the left on the left crank. Good job. We have the component that's gonna go on the bottom of your shoes, but let's go ahead and take the old rusty ones off. And same idea, lefty-loosey, those just come off. Put our new clip component on the bottom of our shoe. You'll see this is what it's supposed to look like. If you notice on the bottom, this is rough. And so the rough side goes up against your shoe, and then that arrow goes towards your toe. And so typically I position this on these 1, 2, the 2 holes that are closest to the toe. And so that will align there. And then of course you will also use the included little washer guy. It slips right in here along with the 2 screws, 1 and 2. And then those align with those 2 holes closest to the toe. Last little tip here, you really want to put quite a bit of force on these. Just go back and forth, simply because you will be twisting these to get out of your pedals. And if you are twisting this to the outside and these are not actually secure all the way, then you will not get unclipped. This is basically just gonna spin underneath your shoe. So really make sure that these are on there nice and snug. Oh yeah, definitely. Beautiful. 5 out of 5 stars.